Hussein, who is the GM and head of IT audit in HBL. Also, he is the president of ISACA, right? So let's get to know what is his opinion regarding Sindh Research Incubation Center, ये जो initiative है by the government of Sindh and IBA. So what is his thought about this project?
Assalamu alaikum and hello to all the viewers. Mashallah, it's an amazing initiative that the Sindh IT Ministry and IBA have got together and established. And I am fortunate to have been invited to be part of the screening committee for the last 2 years, the 2 iterations. This is very much a requirement of not only Sindh but of the country as well. And we have seen so many startups come and pitch to us. And we see the potential that is there, the talent that is there in the country. It just needs an opportunity to flower. And in all of that, I think the best and the most heartening thing has been to see the number of women that are coming into it. Startups that are purely established and led by women. So in the West, where we talk about the problem or the shortage of women in this field, the lack of diversity, we're seeing that over here. And it's amazing to see that. It's brilliant because this is the need of the hour. Women need a platform. They have so much potential. And if they can come forward as business leaders, as owners, they're coming and filling those needs that are there for the country, for the youth, for this gender. Added to that, is the fact that Pakistan needs to move on this digital journey. And the IT Ministry is helping enable that. I know there are various other programs that are happening, but I think this is the sort of crown in the jewel because this will pave the way for future success.
So, what do you think? IBA is putting into this incubation center? I mean, what is their effort? Can you please highlight those?
Sure. IBA is known as the premier institution, the business management institution, and with Imran Saab being there and backing it, and not only backing it but being there heart and soul all the time, it's giving the opportunity for these startups which very often lack the skills, the knowledge, the capability and the connections to go far in this field. He's facilitating that. He's enabling them to make the connections with partners, with service providers, with opportunity providers. He's enabling the training, enhancing of upskilling of these startups, and getting, I think, one part which most startups miss initially is the financial part. How are they going to sustain themselves in the future? That training is also provided by IBA, in addition to all the technical skilling. So I think that's critical that IBA is a part of this initiative, and congratulations and hats off to the ministry as well for taking on this.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir.